Good morning, student. Student, it is exercise 23.8 from R.D. Sharma. Question number 1. Topic is straight line. A line passes through a point A, coordinate 1, 2, and makes an angle of 60 degree with x-axis. So there is a line passes through a point 1, 2. Suppose that is there, and make an angle 60 degree with x-axis. And intersect the line x plus y equal to 6. Suppose there is a line for which x plus y equal to 6. This is the point P. Find AP. So you have to find this distance AP. For this we will write the distance. So the coordinate of any point on the line. Here we will write x1 is 1. So x minus 1 upon cos 60 degree equal to y minus 2 upon sin 60 equal to r. So any point on the line, that is 1 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2. So it is r by 2 and 2 plus r root 3 by 2. It is any point on the line. It lies on the second line x plus y equal to 6. So it lies on the line x plus y equal to 6. Therefore, we will get 1 plus r upon 2 plus 2 plus r root 3 upon 2 equal to 6. And r plus r root 3 upon 2 equal to 3. And r common, root 3 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 3. And r equal to 6 upon root 3 plus 1. Now we rationalize the denominator. So it is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Denominator becomes 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So required distance r is 6 into root 3 minus 1 upon 2. 3 minus 1 is 2, is 3. So AP distance is r, which is 3 into root 3 minus 1. Okay, which is the required distance AP. To solve this question, we will take the distance form of straight line, because the one point A is given and angle 60 degree is given. And here we need the distance R. We have to find the distance AP. That is why we will apply the distance form of straight line. X minus x1 upon cos theta equal to y minus y1 upon sin theta equal to R. Now let x1, coordinate of A is 1, 2. That is why x1 equal to 1 and y1 equal to 2. Putting the values here. And theta is 60 degree. So it is cos 60 and there is a sin 60. Then any point on the line, that will be x minus x1 upon cos 60 equal to r. From this we will get 1 plus r upon 2, and from this we will get value of y, which is 2 plus r into root 3 by 2. Right? Now since this point lies on the line, okay, lies on the line x plus y equal to 6, putting this value here, find the value of r, and then this value r equal to AP. So this is the required distance, and to simplify this, we will rationalize the denominator, then multiply and divide by in numerator and denominator by root 3 minus 1. Denominator becomes 2, then final answer r equal to 3 into root 3 minus 1. Okay. Now next question number 4. A line are drawn through a point A parallel to the line 3x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. Find the coordinate of 2 points on the line which are at a distance of 5 units from A. So, there is a line, it is 3x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. A line drawn through a point A and parallel to line this. It is parallel to a. So slope of this line equal to the slope of required line. So the slope of this line, slope is minus a upon b. There is a formula of slope, m equal to minus a upon b. Here a equal to 3 and b is minus 4. So it is 3 by 4. Let it m, since m equal to tan theta, therefore it is 3 by 4 and cos theta is 4 by 5 and sin theta is 3 by 5. Now coordinate of A is 4 comma minus 1. We have to find 2 points. Let it is P, it is at a distance 5. Another point, let it is Q, it is at minus 5. Now using the distance formula, distance form of straight line, x minus x1 upon cos theta equal to y minus y1 upon sin theta equal to plus minus 5. Here r equal to 5 because distance is 5 here. Now here x minus 4 cos theta is 4 by 5 equal to y plus 1 upon sin theta 3 by 5 equal to plus minus 5. Now we will find the value of x. So since x minus 4 upon 4 by 5 equal to let plus 5 plus minus 5. Then take the positive value. So x minus 4 equal to 4. Then x equal to 8. Take the negative value. X minus 4 equal to is minus 4. Then x equal to 0. Similarly, we will find the y. Y plus 1 upon 3 by 5 equal to plus minus 5. Take positive value. Then y plus 1 equal to 3. Then y equal to 2. So one of the coordinate p equal to 8 comma 2. Then take the negative value. Y plus 1 upon 3 by 5 is minus 5. Y plus 1 is minus 3. Y is minus 4. And the coordinate is 0 comma minus 4. Okay, this is the coordinate of Q. Q is 0 comma minus 4 and P is 8 comma 2. Coordinate of Q is 0 comma minus 4. Coordinate of P